Hey, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video editing tutorial I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out in Premiere Pro and Sony Vegas. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the video, click on, make sure it's at the very beginning, click on position and scale, and zoom in. This is using the scale, and if you're wanting to target something you would change the position. And let's go down just a little bit onto the rock. If you want to zoom in some more, that, and then what you can redo is if you want it like that, go out a little bit, zoom in, drag it down, zoom in some more if you need to, and that is how you zoom in. And then what you can do is just go out a little bit, hit add keyframe, and then pause it, and then reset perimeter, zoom in, and then zoom out. Now let's go over to Sony Vegas. Okay guys, now that we're in Sony Vegas, so what you're going to want to do is you want to click on track motion. Make sure locked aspect ratio is locked, and then scaled about center is locked, and then just zoom in on the rock if you need that, or you can let it stay on that keyframe for a little bit. So about right here, and then zoom in, and then once you zoom out it's going to zoom in. Stay like that for a little bit, hit create keyframe, insert, and then right click, restore box. That is how to zoom out. Play. It's going to stay like that and then zoom out. And that is how you zoom in and zoom out in Premiere Pro and Sony Vegas. See you in the next video guys.